Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then you are watching the Curioscope career series, and this is where we break down everything about different study options, careers, exams, and smart choices for your future in different sectors. The aviation industry is a dynamic and fast-growing global sector that connects people, cultures, and economies. Beyond pilots and cabin crew, it offers diverse careers in engineering, management, safety, logistics, and technology, making aviation an exciting field for innovation, growth, and global opportunities. The aviation industry is a large and dynamic ecosystem that enables air transport across the world. It is not limited to pilots and aircraft alone, but includes many interconnected sectors working together to keep operations safe, efficient, and reliable. Core operations include airlines that manage passenger and cargo transport, airports and air navigation services that ensure smooth movement of aircraft, and aircraft design and maintenance teams that uphold safety and performance standards. Beyond these, specialized sectors such as defense aviation, drones, and advanced air mobility, as well as training and regulatory organizations, play a vital role in shaping the industry's future. A common misconception is that aviation careers are only about flying. In reality, only 10 to 15% of aviation jobs involve being in the cockpit. The remaining roles are technical, operational, managerial, and service-oriented, offering strong career opportunities for students from science, commerce, and arts backgrounds. Aviation qualifications are internationally recognized, allowing professionals to work across countries with ease. Whether it is airlines, airports, maintenance organizations, or aviation management, the skills you develop are highly transferable and respected worldwide. Another strong reason to choose aviation is its rapid growth. India is currently one of the fastest growing aviation markets in the world, driven by rising passenger demand, expanding airports, new airlines, and advanced technology. This growth is generating thousands of new jobs every year, not only for pilots, but also for engineers, ground staff, safety professionals, planners, and managers across all experience levels. Aviation also offers a unique blend of skills. It combines cutting-edge technology, structured management, strict safety standards, and high-quality customer service. This diversity makes the industry both challenging and rewarding. Most importantly, aviation offers fulfilling careers both in flying and non-flying roles. Whether in the cockpit or on the ground, professionals enjoy equal opportunities for growth, leadership, and long-term success, making aviation a truly versatile career path. The aviation industry offers diverse career opportunities across 8 major domains, each with distinct skills, responsibilities, and growth potential. Flying careers include pilot roles in commercial airlines, cargo operations, and defense aviation, demanding strong technical expertise and decision-making abilities. Airport and air traffic operations manage aircraft movement, runway safety, and terminal coordination to ensure efficient operations. Aircraft engineering and maintenance is a safety-critical field focused on inspection, repair, and continuous airworthiness monitoring. Cabin crew and passenger services ensure in-flight safety, customer service, and passenger comfort. Airline and aviation management handles operations planning, finance, strategy, and business development. Cargo, logistics, and drones support global trade and emerging aerial technologies. Defense and government aviation contribute to national security through military flying, engineering, and administration. Training, safety, and regulatory roles maintain industry standards through instruction, audits, and compliance. A commercial pilot is responsible for operating passenger or cargo aircraft and ensuring complete flight safety. Their duties include pre-flight planning, navigation, takeoff, in-flight decision-making, and safe landing, all while strictly following standard operating procedures. To become a commercial pilot in India, candidates must complete 10+2 with physics and mathematics and obtain a commercial pilot license, CPL. The process begins with clearing DGCA Class 2 and Class 1 medical examinations. Candidates then enroll in a DGCA-approved flying school for ground training in air regulations, meteorology, navigation, and technical subjects, followed by practical flight training to build required flying hours. After clearing DGCA theory exams and skill tests, the CPL is issued. To join an airline, pilots must complete a type rating on a specific aircraft and begin as a first officer. Commercial pilot training is a major financial investment, typically 35 to 70 lakh rupees, and largely self-funded. Entry-level first officers earn about 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees per month, while experienced captains earn 6 to 9 lakh rupees. Medical failures and non-refundable costs make discipline, financial planning, and commitment essential for long-term success. Helicopter pilot careers are a highly specialized segment of aviation, requiring exceptional precision and adaptability. Unlike fixed-wing airline pilots, helicopter pilots operate in niche, high-demand sectors such as offshore oil and gas operations, emergency medical services, search and rescue, disaster relief, tourism, and government or defense services. The role often involves challenging conditions, including low-altitude flying, confined landing areas, and variable weather. The training pathway is similar to that of commercial pilots, but focuses specifically on rotorcraft operations. Candidates must meet standard eligibility and medical fitness requirements and complete ground training and extensive practical helicopter flying. Training costs typically range from 35 to 70 lakh rupees, depending on aircraft type and training location, with greater emphasis on specialized skills. Although job opportunities are fewer than airline roles, they are highly specialized and often provide stable, long-term employment with energy companies, emergency services, and government organizations, making this a rewarding career choice. Fighter pilot careers represent the elite segment of defense aviation in India, offering roles in the Indian Air Force, Navy, and Army aviation. This prestigious profession demands advanced flying skills, strict discipline, and strong national service values. Entry is through competitive exams such as NDA after Class 12 or CDS and AFCAT after graduation. Candidates must meet extremely rigorous medical and physical standards. Training is fully government funded with salary from day one. Due to its specialized nature and service commitment, detailed guidance is covered separately in the Defense Career Session. Air traffic controllers, ATCs, play a vital role in aviation safety by managing aircraft movements on the ground and in the air. They ensure safe separation between aircraft by controlling takeoff and landing sequences, monitoring airspace traffic, managing ground operations at airports, and providing pilots with real-time clearances and weather updates. During emergencies, ATCs coordinate closely with pilots and emergency services to protect passenger safety. In India, aspiring ATCs must hold a BSc degree with physics and mathematics or an engineering degree and clear the Airports Authority of India AAI ATC recruitment examination. The age limit is generally 18 to 27 years, along with strict medical fitness standards. Strong communication skills, quick decision-making, and high levels of concentration are essential. Entry-level ATCs earn approximately 1.2 to 1.5 lakh rupees per month, including allowances. With experience, salaries can rise to 3 to 5 lakh rupees per month, along with government benefits, job security, and pension, making it a highly respected non-flying aviation career. This career is ideal for individuals who can perform under pressure, maintain mental stamina, and value precision. Airport operations officers are responsible for the smooth, safe, and efficient functioning of airports. They coordinate daily airport activities, including runway operations, airside safety monitoring, terminal management, and regulatory compliance. During emergencies, they play a critical role by coordinating response teams and ensuring safety protocols are strictly followed. On a daily basis, they work closely with airlines, ground handling agencies, security teams, air traffic control, and maintenance services to ensure timely flight operations while maintaining high safety standards. Educational qualifications typically include a degree in airport management or aviation management from a recognized institution. Career progression is well defined, with opportunities to advance from operations officer to roles such as terminal manager, operations head, and airport director. The role involves a demanding 24/7 shift-based work environment across terminals, control rooms, and runway areas. This career suits organized individuals who perform well under pressure and offers long-term stability and leadership opportunities in aviation. Aircraft maintenance engineers, AMEs, play a crucial role in aviation safety by ensuring aircraft are technically sound and airworthy before every flight. While pilots operate the aircraft, AMEs certify its safety, making this a highly regulated and respected profession with direct responsibility for passenger safety. Their daily duties include inspecting aircraft systems, identifying technical faults, performing repairs, maintaining accurate technical records, and ensuring strict compliance with DGCA regulations. Without AME clearance, an aircraft cannot be cleared for flight. To become an AME in India, students must complete 10+2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics, followed by training at a DGCA-approved AME institute. Training typically lasts 2 to 4 years and combines theoretical study with practical experience. After meeting licensing requirements, candidates become certified AMEs. Trainee AMEs earn 40,000 to 80,000 rupees per month, while licensed AMEs earn 2 to 4 lakh rupees monthly. Globally recognized licenses also offer strong international career opportunities. Aerospace and aeronautical engineers are responsible for designing, developing and advancing aircraft, spacecraft and modern aviation systems. Unlike aircraft maintenance engineers, they focus on innovation, research and engineering design rather than maintenance. Their work blends creativity with strong scientific and technical expertise. Key responsibilities include aircraft and spacecraft design, propulsion system development, structural analysis, aerodynamic testing, and research into advanced aviation technologies. They contribute to the development of fighter jets, commercial aircraft, satellites, drones, and space exploration vehicles. To enter this field, students must complete a B.Tech in aerospace or aeronautical engineering from an AICTE-approved institution. A strong foundation in mathematics and physics is essential. Graduates work with organizations such as HAL, DRDO, ISRO, Boeing India, Airbus Group, and private aerospace startups. Career growth depends on specialization, skills, and experience, with roles in research, design, testing, and project leadership. Cabin crew and passenger service professionals represent the airline and play a crucial role in ensuring passenger safety and comfort. Their primary responsibility is safety, which includes conducting pre-flight safety demonstrations, handling emergency procedures, and ensuring all safety regulations are followed during the flight. Alongside safety duties, they deliver a professional and pleasant in-flight experience for passengers. Eligibility requires completion of 10+2 education from any stream. Airlines also set specific height and grooming standards and place strong emphasis on communication skills and customer orientation. Confidence, presence of mind, and the ability to perform under pressure are essential qualities. Salaries are competitive, with domestic airlines offering 40,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month, while international airlines may offer 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month, along with global exposure. This career suits individuals who enjoy travel, teamwork, and a dynamic work environment. Ground staff operations play a vital role in the smooth functioning of airports and airlines, ensuring passenger journeys on the ground are safe, efficient, and well coordinated. Their work directly influences flight punctuality and passenger satisfaction. Key responsibilities include check-in operations such as processing bookings, verifying travel documents, seat allocation, and handling special service requests. Ground staff also manage boarding and gate operations by coordinating boarding procedures, making flight announcements, verifying passenger manifests, and ensuring on-time departures. Baggage handling is another critical function, involving luggage movement, baggage tracking, resolving lost or delayed baggage issues, and coordinating with handling teams. Customer service is a constant responsibility, including assisting passengers with inquiries, supporting elderly and special needs travelers, and handling complaints professionally. Entry-level opportunities are available through airline recruitment drives and airport ground handling agencies. Airline operations managers are strategic leaders who manage the complex ecosystem of daily flight operations. Their role is crucial in ensuring that flights operate safely, efficiently, and profitably. They work behind the scenes to coordinate multiple departments and respond quickly to operational challenges. Key responsibilities include flight scheduling and optimization, crew planning, and efficient resource allocation. They also monitor operational costs, coordinate with airports and regulatory authorities, and manage disruptions such as weather delays, technical issues, or emergencies. Crisis management and contingency planning are especially critical in this role, as decisions must often be made under time pressure. To become an airline operations manager, candidates typically require an MBA or a specialized degree in aviation management. Prior experience in airline or airport operations is highly valued. Strong analytical skills, leadership ability, and a solid understanding of aviation regulations are essential. This role is ideal for individuals who enjoy planning, decision-making, and leadership, and who want to influence large-scale airline operations rather than work on the front line. Revenue management and pricing analysts play a key role in maximizing an airline's profitability through intelligent pricing strategies. Their primary task is to develop dynamic pricing models by analyzing passenger demand, competitor pricing, and market trends across different routes. One of their major responsibilities is demand forecasting. Using advanced analytics and sometimes machine learning tools, they predict passenger behavior, seasonal travel patterns, and booking trends. Based on these insights, they adjust fares in real time to ensure optimal seat utilization. Yield optimization is another critical function. Analysts balance seat inventory across different fare classes to maximize revenue per available seat mile, commonly known as RASM. Their decisions directly impact airline revenue, especially in competitive markets. This career is best suited for candidates with degrees in economics, data science, statistics, or an MBA with specialization in analytics. Strong numerical ability, logical thinking, and proficiency in data analysis tools are essential. It is an excellent career choice for students interested in data-driven decision-making within the aviation industry. Marketing, sales, and route planning professionals play a strategic role in building an airline's brand and expanding its network profitably. Their focus is on attracting passengers, increasing market presence, and ensuring routes are commercially viable. Brand teams develop a strong airline identity through advertising, digital marketing, social media, and customer loyalty programs. Sales professionals work across B2B and B2C channels, managing corporate partnerships, negotiating with travel agencies, and driving ticket sales. Route planning is an analytical function involving market demand analysis, route profitability assessment, feasibility studies, and network expansion decisions, directly impacting revenue and efficiency. Essential skills include strategic thinking, market analysis, brand management, and data-driven decision-making. Career progression typically moves from marketing executive to manager, regional sales head, and eventually chief commercial officer. Cargo, logistics, and drone-based careers are rapidly growing segments of the aviation industry beyond passenger travel. Air cargo managers oversee the movement of time-sensitive and high-value goods across global networks, ensuring efficiency, safety, and regulatory compliance. Their responsibilities include cargo operations, warehouse handling, aircraft loading, dangerous goods compliance, customs documentation, and coordination with authorities to optimize supply chains. Major employers include DHL Aviation, FedEx Express, Blue Dart Aviation, and Cargo Airlines. Drone pilot careers are expanding quickly in India, with applications in agriculture, defense, mapping, media, and last-mile delivery. To become a drone pilot, candidates must obtain a DGCA remote pilot certificate, typically requiring 2 to 3 months of training. Salaries range from 50,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees per month, with strong freelance opportunities. Drone piloting is one of the fastest growing career options in modern aviation, driven by technology and real-world applications. Today, drones are no longer limited to hobby use. They are transforming industries such as agriculture, defense, mapping, media, and logistics. In agriculture, drones help farmers monitor crops, assess soil health, and carry out precision spraying, improving productivity while reducing costs. In defense and security, drones are used for surveillance and reconnaissance, while in media, they enable high-quality aerial photography and filmmaking. To become a professional drone pilot in India, candidates must obtain a DGCA-approved remote pilot certificate. The training duration is relatively short, usually around 2 to 3 months, making it an attractive option for quick career entry. Salaries range from 50,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees per month, with strong freelance and project-based earning potential. This career suits students who enjoy technology, remote operations, and working in innovative, future-oriented fields. Defense and government aviation careers allow individuals to serve the nation while working in highly respected and stable roles. These positions focus on aviation regulation, airport administration, air traffic management, safety oversight, and national security. Unlike commercial aviation, these roles emphasize policy implementation, compliance, and long-term infrastructure development. Entry into government aviation roles is primarily through competitive examinations such as the UPSC Civil Services, recruitment drives by the Airports Authority of India, specialized technical exams, and internal departmental promotions. A strong understanding of aviation regulations, operational procedures, and administrative systems is essential for success in this field. Professionals in government aviation often work with ministries, regulatory bodies, airport authorities, and defense organizations. The career offers structured growth, job security, and the opportunity to influence national aviation policies and systems. This path is ideal for students who are disciplined, service-oriented, and interested in leadership, governance, and public administration within the aviation ecosystem. Training, safety, and specialized aviation roles are crucial to maintaining high standards of safety, performance, and human efficiency in the aviation industry. Though often behind the scenes, these professionals are essential to safe flight operations. Flight instructors train aspiring pilots through classroom instruction and flight sessions requiring strong flying experience and instructor certification. Aviation safety managers develop safety management systems, conduct risk assessments, and promote a strong safety culture within airlines and airports to prevent incidents. Aviation psychologists focus on pilot mental fitness, crew well-being, decision-making, stress management, and crew resource management training. Aviation lawyers handle legal matters such as aircraft leasing, air accidents, regulatory compliance, and international air law, working with airlines, airports, manufacturers, and government bodies. Aviation journalists report on airlines, airports, safety, technology, and policy by researching and communicating industry developments through media platforms. These careers suit professionals interested in responsibility, analysis, mentoring, and contributing to aviation excellence beyond flying. Choosing the right aviation career begins with understanding how your academic stream connects to different opportunities in the industry. Aviation is a vast ecosystem, and each stream opens specific doors. For students from the science stream with physics, chemistry, and mathematics, the pathway leads to highly technical and operational roles. Careers such as commercial pilot, air traffic controller, aircraft maintenance engineer, and aerospace engineer require strong analytical skills and scientific understanding. Students from the science stream with biology have equally strong opportunities, especially in service-oriented, safety, and medical-related aviation roles. Careers like cabin crew, aviation safety officer, airport management, and aviation medicine value biological knowledge, along with communication and people skills. Commerce students find excellent alignment with the business side of aviation. Roles in airport management, aviation logistics, revenue management, and ground operations require financial understanding, planning ability, and operational thinking. Arts and humanities students also have strong aviation prospects. Their communication and interpersonal skills are ideal for cabin crew, customer service, human resources, and airport relations roles. Understanding your stream early helps you plan smartly and prepare with clarity. Medical fitness is one of the most important yet often misunderstood aspects of aviation careers. Certain roles, especially commercial pilots and air traffic controllers, have strict medical standards because safety is the highest priority in aviation. Understanding these requirements early can save students significant time, effort, and financial investment. Key medical criteria include vision standards, where both corrected and uncorrected eyesight must fall within specific limits depending on the role. Physical parameters such as height, weight, and body mass index also matter and vary across aviation careers. Cardiovascular health is closely examined, as certain heart conditions may disqualify candidates from safety-critical roles. Hearing ability is equally important since clear communication is essential in aviation operations. However, failing a specific medical requirement does not mean the end of an aviation dream. Many excellent non-flying roles do not require stringent medical clearances. Early medical assessment and proper guidance help students choose suitable roles and build realistic, stress-free career plans within the aviation industry. Many students hesitate to explore aviation because of common myths that create unnecessary fear and confusion. One major misconception is that aviation careers mean only becoming a pilot. In reality, the aviation industry offers over 100 career options across engineering, operations, management, customer service, safety, logistics, and technology. Another widespread myth is that aviation is only for wealthy students. While some paths require investment, many aviation careers are accessible through government institutions, scholarships, education loans, and cost-effective training routes. Several roles offer strong salary growth with a reasonable initial investment and excellent return over time. A third myth is that there is no backup option if someone fails a medical test. The truth is that aviation offers many prestigious, well-paid ground-based roles that do not require strict medical clearances. Careers in airport management, airline operations, aviation business and safety provide long-term growth and global exposure. A successful aviation career is built through smart and timely planning rather than last-minute decisions. Strategic planning at each educational stage helps students maximize opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. The first step is self-assessment, understanding one's interests, strengths, academic background, and physical suitability for specific aviation roles. Early awareness is crucial. Students should explore aviation career options during school years, understand eligibility criteria, and identify required entrance exams, certifications, or degrees. Medical fitness checks, especially for flying roles, should be done early to keep alternative pathways open if needed. Skill development is equally important. Communication skills, analytical thinking, teamwork, discipline, and stress management are essential across aviation careers. Internships, industry exposure programs, and interaction with professionals provide valuable real-world insights. Finally, flexibility is key. Aviation is a dynamic industry, and career paths may evolve with technology and market demand. Students who plan smartly, stay informed, and remain adaptable can build rewarding, stable, and globally relevant careers in aviation. If you found this session helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected for more updates, tips, and guidance on your educational journey. Thanks for joining us. Best of luck with your preparation.